Good day, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Good day, everyone. In this task, we are to write a program that prints the alphabet in lowercase and then in uppercase, followed by a new line. And then the instruction says that you can only use the putchar function. Every other function, printf, puts, etc., is not allowed to be used. And I should make sure that all my code should be in the main function, and you can only use putchar 3 times in your code. So now this is the output of my code, and I've written this my entry point. This is the main void function, and I've written them right. So now to confirm whether this program is working, so I will open my terminal and say that GCC, that is to compile, then flag wall, then pedantic, right, then where, then extra, right, then std equal to GNU89, then the name of the file. Let me increase this. GNU89. Then the name of the file, which is 3 prints alphabets.c. Then it should be compiled into this file. 3 prints alphabets, right? So now this is, I should save it. So fine, everything is it has compiled. And to confirm whether this thing is working, say there's a 3 prints alphabets, then okay, mashallah, alhamdulillah. So this is it, everything is working perfectly. You see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K to Z. And after this, after the lowercase, then we have the uppercase. It means that my program is working perfectly. And see you in my next video.